What's going on? It's your boy Daunting. HODLs, we back in here with another video, y'all. It is Wednesday, hump day. So I hope you guys are being productive. I hope you continue to be productive despite the fact that we have technically entered into a Bitcoin bull run. So much chart analysis, so much fundamentals that just supports what I'm saying. Is not even any point for anyone to try to argue this at this point, that Bitcoin is technically entered into a bull market. And so despite all that, I hope you're still trying to, work hard to try to acquire what you can acquire, because this is the last train ticket to, I would say, to the promised land. This is the last spot on the ark, on the boat, to save you from the carnage that will ensue. So if you're already stacking this asset, Bitcoin, then do it responsibly. I hope you are. Do it with a peer-to-peer decentralized exchange such as HODL.com, where all you need is an email address and password for non-KYC Bitcoin trading. Link down below to HODL.com. Check them out. Also, store that Bitcoin into a cold storage wallet, where it is a hard wallet, preferred open source wallet, and it's Bitcoin only. Check it out down below at the CoinKite.com store for the cold wallet. Let's get into it. A lot of people are not going to make it on the ark. They were not obsessed enough. They were not psychopathic enough to do whatever it took to dollar cost average down from 2021 all-time highs, to continue to buy through 2020, where things just looked just bloody. And even in this year, 2023, they did not make any necessary adjustments to do what they can do to acquire as much of this asset as possible. This has likely been the longest bear market that probably has been recorded in the cryptocurrency market, specifically the Bitcoin market. And so you're talking about the bear market beginning in 2021, or December 2021. The top was made maybe November, and we're talking about all of 2022 and pretty much all of half of 2023, most of 2023. A lot of time to stack a whole Bitcoin, a lot of time to stack a quarter of Bitcoin, whatever you can get. And so why am I saying this is becoming something that's a closing door? Like the opportunity to change the trajectory of your future and your children's future is rapidly coming to an end now, is because you have BlackRock at any moment, or any Bitcoin spot ETF at any day can be announced approved, and it's bye-bye. Look at the charts. Technically, zoom out. You don't even got to look in no other time frame. You can zoom out. You can look at any time frame. Just zoom all the way out. The largest inverted head and shoulder I have ever seen on a chart. Bitcoin is technically in the midst of a breakout of a inverted head and shoulder, tilted downwards, which is actually the most bullish inverted head and shoulders, as is slanted downward, not slanted upward, slanted downward. Where I'm showing that it can make a full measure move up to about 50K, maybe before there's a bit of a pullback. I think once it pulls back, finds support somewhere around 48, 45, it goes and tries to take out previous all-time highs. So you got that going. You got just what was announced today, breaking news: the Federal Reserve has placed a pause on rate hikes. Okay, hey, I think you're all getting it. While inflation still is sticky, it's still stubborn, they put a pause on rate hikes. So is it really about the interest rates, or is it about they're worried about the stability of everything around, and therefore showing a sign of weakness, that they're not going to stick to their plan to tame inflation if it, and they're hey. So you got environment of increasing inflation, Bitcoin, the store of value, the finite supply, the decentralized monetary network. now you got likely a pause, which could lead possibly to an eventual pivot at some point, which will further exacerbate inflation, probably spark very high inflation or hyperinflation at some point. Bitcoin will still be solid, will still be sturdy. So understand that you are in the best times, and if you're not, it's either you're in the best times of human history right now or you're in the worst times. And that really depends on what you have been doing the past 24 months. So anyways, I'm gonna keep this a real short one. I hope you guys are doing whatever it takes to continue to close out strong, to get your last animals and whatever you got to get onto the ark, because it is about to depart. I'll get at y'all later. Till next time.